Welcome to the DNA Center Assurance and Automation Enablement Stage 1 module on trends, challenges, benefits, and capabilities. By the end of this module, you will be able to explain how current business and IT trends are having an impact in the evolution of enterprise networking. Describe the most common challenges associated with traditional networking, and highlight the common desired benefits that are driving customers to consider intent-based networking. And finally, highlight key general technical capability requirements to address relevant challenges and for the realization of benefits. Cisco DNA Center is already delivering real outcomes. Globally, our customers spend $60 billion annually on network operations and troubleshooting. Those customers that have adopted DNA Center Assurance are seeing real benefit right now in the form of decreased time provisioning, faster problem resolution, lower operating expenses, and reduced impact of security breaches. Our customers face a host of challenges. Already, Wi-Fi is a primary network access mechanism. Over the next several years, it is expected that 63% of traffic on all of our networks will originate from a mobile device. Networks today are very complex. A recent study found our customers spend 3 times more on operating the network than what was spent on the network itself. And our threat profile continues to increase. One study shows that it takes as much as 3 months to detect a breach. And that same study suggests that 80% of security breaches occur within the perimeter of our network. Our customers have a common set of benefits that they need to stay agile as they plan their intent-based networking journey. They need to align business and IT goals to reduce costs and lower complexity so IT becomes a business vehicle, and to optimize performance through proactive assessments and critical insights to streamline operations and inform the business with network analytics, to innovate with confidence, to utilize a centralized solution support to manage cases to resolution and decrease human error, and to minimize disruption, helping secure IT management for business transformation to maximize network performance and uptime by delivering consistent, always-on service availability. And finally, to unlock business insights, enabling heterogeneous network analytics and data. Traditional and legacy network architectures cannot scale to address the changing needs of our customers. They are expensive as a result of being hardware-centric with fixed capacity. They are difficult to support, oftentimes requiring box-by-box configurations or, at best, siloed management tools and lacking any kind of automated provisioning. They are inflexible, meaning that they are tightly controlled as a result of being based on legacy client-server models and historical versus predictive management tools. They are connectivity-centric, whereas an architecture for the new era needs to be application-centric and focused on the user experience. And they are poorly integrated with conflicting policies and configurations between services, making them inflexible. Static, expensive, and cumbersome to maintain, which means that they are more prone to accidental interactions and vulnerabilities. Existing network management tools simply will not work. In order to bring about digital transformation and an intent-based network, we need a system that is constantly learning, constantly adapting, and constantly protecting. Our announcement with the Network Intuitive focused on what the industry is coining intent-based networking. In that announcement, we heavily focused on intent and security. We talked about DNA Center, Catalyst 9000, and encrypted traffic analytics, where customers finally could say goodbye to VLAN, ACL, and IP address management, and could actually uncover threats where no one thought possible. Today we're going to make our way around this loop and double-click on context. Our latest innovations are going to unlock the intelligence of the network and help IT dramatically improve productivity to the business through new assurance innovations. This new way of networking treats the network as a single system and automates network functions based on the intent or goals of the business. First, translation. The goal of intent-based networking is to simplify. We have abstracted the network into a single system, built on a fabric which offers the interface to support the translation of business goals into expected outcomes. This is done with intent capture, where you state in simple business rules such as only executives in finance can access earning data. Only doctors, nurses, and clinicians can look at patient medical records, or no IoT device can access corporate databases. That intent has to be translated consistently across the network. This is huge because our customers spend months making this happen, and we know just how difficult this can be. Secondly, activation. Many of our customers are manually driving updates, and that is precisely why a QoS change or an application rollout could take 4 to 6 months. Automation is critical for helping IT operate at digital speed, and if we can free up their time, then they can play a more strategic role in their organization. Activation means their intended policies are automatically active across the system, and they can ensure they stay in place until further change is required. Finally, assurance. This is going to be life-changing for IT. Instead of wondering what disaster of the day will happen or where a rollout may fail, they can get in front of the action with assurance and with confidence tell stakeholders that the network is ready for that move to Office 365 or a new branch opening, or that the merger integration will be a success. And when things go wrong, they can quickly get to the root cause of an issue and resolve it. DNA Assurance collects streaming telemetry from 16 sources and at every point in the network. Then it correlates this data with contextual information such as user profiles, topology, and location. The result is actionable insights and visibility in real time. This, coupled with the zero-touch provisioning in Cisco's DNA automation, results in an intelligent, closed-loop, self-optimizing system that we call the Network Intuitive. Cisco DNA Center is the network management system, foundational controller, and analytics platform at the heart of Cisco's intent-based network. Beyond device management and configuration, Cisco DNA Center is a set of software solutions that provides a management platform for the entire network, an SDN controller for automation of virtual devices and services, and an assurance engine to guarantee the best network experience for all users. DNA Center software resides on the DNA Center appliance and controls all of your Cisco devices, both fabric and non-fabric. DNA Center allows IT teams the ability to automatically provision through DNA Center automation virtual devices through Cisco Network Functions Virtualization, NFV, and lower security risks through segmentation and encrypted traffic analytics, ETA. Furthermore, DNA Center Assurance collects streaming telemetry from devices around the network in order to ensure alignment of network operation with business intent. In doing this, DNA Center Assurance optimizes network performance, enforces network policies, and reduces time spent on mundane troubleshooting tasks. DNA Center Platform provides 360-degree extensibility with a broad ecosystem of partners and ISVs that allow you to make your network agile and fully in tune with your business priorities. DNA Center is the only centralized network management system to bring all of this functionality into a single pane of glass. This ends Trends, Challenges, Benefits, and Capabilities module. In the next module, we will look at the use cases of DNA Center automation and assurance.